Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to install MySQL Server and Workbench latest version on Windows 11. So just open any web browser, then type MySQL download or type MySQL Workbench download. So just click here. This is the official link MySQL. Now here guys, select your operating system like Microsoft Windows or Mac OS or another one. Then you can download all product for MySQL, all MySQL products for all Windows platform in one package. Just in one package you can download and install. So just click on go to download page. Now here guys, select Microsoft Windows, and if you are using 32-bit or 64-bit, so select as your requirement, then download. Here you can see the version for MySQL. This is the latest one, 8.0.31. So just click on download, and once this downloading process will complete, install, and once installation complete, restart your system. Here click on no thanks, just start my download. So this is the first part guys, and in second part I will show you how to configure MySQL server and workbench in your latest Windows 11 system. So thanks for watching, and share, like and subscribe. Once downloading process is complete, click on this save file. And now submission, so click yes. Now actually this installing process is complete. So now you will see some options like developer, default, server only, time only, off only. So select as your choice and requirement, then click on next. Now select MySQL for Visual Studio, then click on next. Click yes. Now guys, you ask. Now guys, here you will see these all programs are ready to download. MySQL Server 8.0.31, Workbench, MySQL Shell, MySQL PowerShell, and other options and features. So download these all in one. So as you can see, this all are in progress. So this is the first part, download and install MySQL install. In the second part, I will show you the remaining options how to install, how to use and how to set up MySQL installer in Windows 11. Because that will take around 4 minutes. So in the second part, so guys, this is the first part of MySQL. So guys, this is the first part of MySQL. So guys, this is the first part of MySQL running series. In the second part, I will show you how to configure and how to set up this software in your Windows 11 system. So thanks for watching, share, like, and subscribe this channel.